Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. I will go with Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. From here, you need to click on Open in Split Screen View. Select the other app, in my case Chrome, and as you can see after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!